What do you think she wants for her birthday?
Cake. Cake.
Cake? What else?
Ninja Turtle cake.
Ninja Turtle cake. What else?
Unicorn cake.
Unicorn cake.
Alligator cake.
Alligator cake.
Maybe something that you like.
Oh, like what?
A hair cleaning thing.
A hair cleaning thing for her birthday. Okay. Anything else you think she'd like as a present?
Toothpaste.
A what?
Toothpaste and toothbrush.
Toothpaste and a toothbrush.
And a rhino.
And a rhino, okay.
And a unicorn belly.
A unicorn belly? Okay.
And a belly.
And a belly, okay.
And a book called How Things Work.
A book called How Things Work. Okay, those sound like good gifts. Okay, say happy birthday, Tina.
Happy birthday.